Hi, first grade. Buenos dias. It's Mrs. Yu again. I'm going to help you take a look at some of these worksheets. So this one says going on a shape hunt, okay? Which just means buscando formas, okay? En tu casa. So you're going to look in your house for things that have a 3D shape and you could draw them. So down here, do you have anything that's shaped like a cube? Do you have anything that is shaped like a sphere? Do you have anything con la misma forma, como un rectangular prism? I think maybe a box of cereal, una caja de cereal, right? Might have now the same as a rectangular prism. Now, Mrs. Yu is not very good at drawing, and I'm really not very good at drawing on the computer like this, but I am going to give you an example here. Here are some Cheerios, because I know that a box of Cheerios looks like a rectangular prism. Okay. Now, I don't know if I have anything in my house that looks like a pyramid, and that's okay. Okay, you might not be able to find something that has the exact same shape as everything. Do you have anything that's shaped like a cone? How about a cylinder? I know I have a can of frijoles that is shaped like a cylinder. I know I have a can of beans. So I'm going to write B-E-A-N-S, beans. Oh my goodness. And then the last thing that I thought of while I was writing was that I have a sphere. Maybe you can see, you can tell what this is. Can you tell what this sphere is that I have in my house or that I can think of? It's orange and black and it goes bounce, bounce, bounce. You're right, it's a basketball. Very good. All right, so there are some ideas, right? I wonder if you can think of anything different. I bet you can. I'm going to erase this. And let's go ahead and share the next paper. All right. So this one has 3D shapes, and it says color the cones yellow. So wherever you see a cone, okay, vas a colorearlo amarillo. You're going to color it yellow. Whoops, that crayon is going to be too big for that. Now, if you don't have a printer, si no puedes printar esto, that is okay. I will share with you an example. Franny's mom got very creative and drew her picture. That's something you can do. Or if you put it on the computer, you might be able to use the paint on the computer and color it on the computer. I love to see how creative you get. Cuando estás creativo, me encanta verlo. Right. Love to see how creative you are being. All right, and then we get the cylinders. Okay, anywhere you see a cylinder, anywhere you see a sphere, what color is the sphere? Good. Now this looks like a circle, but it's supposed to be like a sphere. Pyramids. And then that rectangular prism, which is like that cereal box. Okay. Very good. All right, then there is one more. Miss Miller would be so proud of me for learning how to share these. Okay. Now, last thing we are going to do here is this one. So this shows us 3D shapes in the world. Now, this one would be a little bit trickier if you don't have a printer, okay? But you can still draw or write the word, escribir la palabra rectangular prism, right? And you see the picture here. Now, what do you see down here at the bottom that looks like a rectangular prism? This is a little bit tricky because judging by these two, they both look like they could be a cube, right? I think that they're thinking this box here, ese caja aquí, would be more like a rectangular prism. So I would, if I didn't have, again, if I couldn't print this, right, I would write the word rectangular prism. Okay, and then on my whiteboard, right, I would draw, and again, we know how Mrs. Yu does with drawing, but I would do my best for you. I would draw a picture of a rectangular prism. Oh my goodness. Where's Jezekiel, right? Jezekiel and Jadel would always be really good at drawing these things. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, there's my rectangular prism. Okay. But if you had a printer and you could print these and cut them out, you would cut this out, cortarlo aquí, okay, y pégalo aquí, glue it here, okay? You could figure out which one of these items looks like a cylinder, which one looks like a cube, un cubo, which one looks like a sphere, which one looks like a cylinder, which one looks like a triangular pyramid, and which one looks like a cone. And remember, if you don't have a printer, right, you can just write it on a piece of paper, and I know that you will do a better job drawing than I did. And if you watch the videos, right, that are posted on Class Dojo, you can also see how to draw a rectangular prism. I can't wait to see your pictures. No puedo esperar para ver tus fotos. All right, very good. Thank you for learning with me today. I will talk to you again soon.